What if I told you that the little device plugged into your TV is sitting on a digital goldmine? Today, I am handing you the keys to unlock a massive world of free entertainment on your streaming device. Whether you use a Fire Stick, Google TV, Nvidia Shield, or an Android box, this process works exactly the same. We are talking about free movies, TV shows, live sports, and premium channels, sitting right on the device you already own. Before we dive in, tap that like button and hit subscribe to help support TechVibes. Also, please note that this video is for educational purposes only. To keep things within guidelines, I won't be opening the apps on screen, but I will show you exactly how to install them. First, we need one specific app to unlock everything. Grab your remote, go to the search icon, and type in Downloader. Select the app and hit install. Once it downloads, do not open it yet. We need to fix a setting deep inside your device first. Hit the home button and scroll over to Settings. Select My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options, highlight About, and press the center button 7 times until it says you are a developer. Go back, open developer options, and turn on ADB debugging. Next, click Install Unknown Apps and turn the setting on for Downloader. While we are here, let us stop Amazon from tracking your data. Go back to Settings, select Preferences, and open Privacy Settings. Turn off Device Usage Data, collect App Usage Data, and Interest-Based Ads. Go back, select Data Usage Monitoring, and turn it off as well. Now hit the Home button, open Downloader from your apps list, and allow permissions. Click the search bar and type in this exact code, 754671. Click Next and wait 5 seconds for the redirect. This brings you to the Pro Fire Stick Trick store. Scroll down, find the app called Unlinked and download it. Click Install and then delete the APK file to save space. Before opening Unlinked, go back to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and install Unknown Apps. Turn the permission on for Unlinked. Now, open Unlinked from your apps list. Click to enter a new library and type in the code, Pro Fire Stick. Welcome to the Custom Store. Press the center button 3 times to see the categories. Look for the category called 10 Times Better, June 2026. Here are the streaming gems you need to install. First, highlight FlixVision, download, and click Install. Next, download and install MobiFlex for an absolute cinema experience. Third, download StreamFire for razor-sharp live sports. Finally, download and install TFlix for ultimate entertainment variety. To keep your streaming smooth and secure, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. It runs silently in the background like a bodyguard, protecting your privacy and bypassing regional restrictions, so you can access any app or stream without hassle. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. To install it, just go to the Find option on your home screen, search for NordVPN, download it, and connect to your preferred server. Once your apps are installed, go to your full apps list. Highlight each new app, press the 3-line menu button on your remote, and select Move to Front. Now your premium setup is ready right on your home screen. Drop a comment below to let me know which app is your favorite. Hit that subscribe button to help TechVibes hit our 50,000 subscriber goal. Enjoy your free entertainment, and I will see you in the next one.